My favorite bird, peacock. My favorite bird is the peacock. The peacock is our national bird. It is very colorful and beautiful bird. It is deep blue and green in color. This majestic bird is the symbol of beauty, grace and joy. Peacock is a big bird. It is found all over the country. It lives on the trees in the jungle. It also lives near farms or villages. The peacock has long and colorful feathers. Peacock looks attractive due to their colorful feathers. It has a graceful neck. They can fly, but not to great distances. They usually live in groups. The peacock is considered to be the vehicle of goddess Saraswati. Peacock eats fruits, seeds, worms, grains, insects, snakes, etc. They are of a great help to the farmers, as they kill all the unwanted snakes and insects from the agricultural fields. Peacock is a male bird, whereas peahen is a female bird. It is a messenger of rain. Peacock dance is a popular dance. It dances in rainy season. It is a pleasure to watch the peacock dance. We should save this beautiful bird from becoming an endangered species. Hunting of peacocks is banned in India.